So from my last video, I had a problem on like code zero on the Minecraft launcher, and I um let me show you guys real quick. So I got the video right here. It's this one in which code zero appeared when I tried to launch it. A lot of you people have the same thing and you can't figure out how to fix it. Today, a few days ago, I fixed it, and I will show you how. So what you will do is you will go um to your um you you type here search and you go to your Minecraft folder in which you already know how to um because yeah. So you open Minecraft, you open mods, and what I recommend you to do is to put all of these files on a folder, and one by one um you so what you will do is you will put all of these on a folder, and you will test each mod one by one, and then you will find the mod that actually causes the code zero, and you will delete that mod, and your problem will be fixed. um if you have any more problems, you can uh comment it, and yeah, that's how I fixed mine, or should I say our mine. That's how it fits mine. And yeah, I got really proud by myself. And yeah, that's how you fix it. um I was gonna say something else. Yeah, after you do that, I recommend when you get other mods, so this doesn't happen to you again, I recommend putting your new mods that you're gonna put on your mod folder, on the folder you're gonna you put all of the things on, all of your mods on, and then tested them one by one. If you don't understand me, I can explain you into another video if you want to. Um so yeah, you're welcome.